Economy and stocks rallied on Wall Street this morning after the Swiss government coordinated a forced takeover of the Swedish bank Credit Suisse. It marks the latest efforts by governments around the world to rescue the banking sector. Meanwhile, a subsidiary of New York Community Bancorp says it is prepared to buy deposits and loans from New York-based Signature Bank, which closed a week ago. And here's a look at the Dow, and you can see right now investors seem to be very happy with some of this news. It's up 297 points. ABC's Ike Kajachi joining us now live from Washington, D.C. with the very latest. Ike.
Yeah, David, the entire goal of Swiss federal regulators stepping in was to hopefully add stability to a banking system that is suffering from a lack of consumer and shareholder confidence. Swiss banking giant UBS has agreed to buy its smaller rival, Credit Suisse, in a deal worth more than $3 billion. A lightning-fast deal brokered by the Swiss government in an attempt to avert what authorities say could have been a financial catastrophe.
The bankruptcy of a global systematically important bank would have caused irreparable economic turmoil in Switzerland and throughout the world.
The U.S. Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve were quick to praise the Credit Suisse takeover as the Fed and other major central banks announced a coordinated effort to ensure U.S. dollars remain readily available across the global financial system as bank closures in the U.S. and abroad create strains on global banking operations. Here at home, the Fed is facing more scrutiny after ABC News confirmed a New York Times report that the Fed was aware of serious problems with the failed Silicon Valley Bank since 2021. In fact, more than a year before its collapse, the Fed had issued several warnings about SVB's poor risk management systems. By 2022, the Fed rated the bank deficient for governance and controls, raising new questions about why the Fed failed to act sooner. Now, some senators are calling for an outside investigation of the Fed itself.
The Fed doesn't just get to do its own investigation. I'm calling for an independent investigation of the Fed and the whole regulatory system.
Now, a new report finds at least 186 of at least 4,000 commercial banks could be risk at failing if half of account holders quickly withdrew their funds.